Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from CoinDCX to your bank account in 2025. If you're holding USDT on CoinDCX and want to cash it out, this guide is perfect for you. It's quick, safe, and tailored for beginners. Let's jump right in. First off, why withdraw in 2025? With crypto regulations evolving, platforms like CoinDCX might have updated features for smoother transactions. Always check for the latest updates on their site. Start by ensuring your CoinDCX account is fully verified. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Head to the CoinDCX website or app and log in with your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for protecting your funds. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. Here, you'll see your available assets, including USDT. Select USDT from your wallet. Now, look for the Withdraw option. You'll need to choose the withdrawal method. For bank transfers, select the option that converts USDT to your local currency, like INR, and links to your bank account. Enter your bank details carefully. Double-check the account number, IFSC code, and amount. Remember, there might be withdrawal fees or minimum limits, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. After entering the details, review everything on the confirmation page. This is your last chance to spot any errors. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates from CoinDCX. A quick tip. Before withdrawing, consider market conditions since USDT values can fluctuate. And always withdraw only what you need. Keep some in your wallet for trading opportunities. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to withdraw USDT from CoinDCX to your bank account in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy trading.